From Mississauga, Streetsville.
Thank you, Speaker. Speaker, each summer I visit community and business groups in Western Mississauga to discuss the topics that interest them most. And this year, tax reform was on everybody's agenda, and Speaker, people say that the Conservatives are only telling half the story. I visited every Rotary Club, most of our seniors groups, some of our religious communities, and others as well. Ontarians know, Speaker, that we need to come out of this economic downturn stronger than we were when we went in. When they hear that their taxes are going down permanently, their tax credits are going up permanently, and that the embedded sales tax in the products that they buy will bring those prices down permanently, Speaker, they ask why the other parties are not telling the whole story. Seniors especially like the doubling of their senior homeowners property tax credit and the introduction of the new Ontario sales tax credit, as well as the permanent cut in their income taxes. Ontario is better able to attract and grow the kind of companies and jobs that seniors want to employ their children and their grandchildren. And Speaker, that's why Ontario's tax reform will drive our province's prosperity, and that's why Ontario will continue to reject the half-the-story Tories.